AT&T Internet Air versus T-Mobile, which is better? When comparing AT&T Internet Air and T-Mobile Home Internet, the choice largely depends on your location, internet speed needs, and service reliability. Let's break down the key differences to help you decide which is better for you. AT&T uses a combination of 5G LTE and 5G for its home internet services. It's available in select urban and suburban areas across the US, but coverage is still expanding. While T-Mobile service primarily uses 5G and LTE with an extensive nationwide coverage footprint. On AT&T, speed varies between 40 to 140 megabytes depending on your location and network condition, while T-Mobile offers speeds ranging from 33 to 182 megabytes with higher speeds possible in areas with strong 5G coverage. The price for AT&T Internet Air is straightforward at $55 per month with no extra fees, while T-Mobile charges $50 per month for its home internet plan with no extra fees or data caps. AT&T installation is typically easy with self-installation kit, but the availability of equipment may vary by location, while T-Mobile also offers easy self-installation with equipment that's shipped directly to your home. Setup is quick, and most users report being able to get their internet running in minutes. AT&T's customer service is generally reliable, while T-Mobile is known for excellent customer service. If you're in an area with a strong T-Mobile 5G coverage, it is the best home internet for you, offering faster speeds and broader coverage at a competitive price. It's ideal for urban users who want fast, reliable service. On the other hand, AT&T Internet Air could be better for users in more rural areas where AT&T's network is more stable, though the speed may vary, not be as high as T-Mobile's 5G in some places. Both services offer solid performance and affordable prices, but T-Mobile tends to have the edge in terms of speed and broader availability. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.